Welcome to our channel. If you want to turn off the dark mode schedule on your T-Mobile device or app, follow these simple steps to disable the automatic switching feature. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile app on your smartphone or go to the T-Mobile website on your device's browser. Step 2. Log into your T-Mobile account using your phone number and password or PIN. Step 3. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner of the screen to open the main menu. Step 4. Navigate to Settings or App Settings depending on your device. Step 5. Look for Display Settings, Theme, or Appearance options in the Settings menu. Step 6. Find the dark mode or night mode setting and tap on it to view scheduling options. Step 7. If there's a schedule enabled, you'll see options like sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. Tap on the schedule option and select off or none to disable it. Step 8. If you want to keep dark mode permanently on or off without a schedule, select always on or always off instead. Step 9. Save your changes by tapping Save or simply exit the settings, as changes are often applied automatically. Step 10. Verify that the dark mode schedule is disabled by checking your app at different times of day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.